Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Thanks for checking this out. I'm sure you might be curious. This is the iDecodo Chameleon Signature XL desk. It is interchangeable. I've had it for most of this year, and the company that built it, they take their specifications and then you can create exactly the setup that you want. But one of the most common questions that I get asked is, well, the turntables are so far away. What do you do when you want to DJ with them? It doesn't seem practical. Well, I'm going to show you just exactly how versatile this desk is in this video. So let's get at it. Let's change up the setup and show you exactly how this works. Okay, well, apart from a little bit of cable tidying, that was my first attempt at doing that. No dry runs, no pre-runs, just straight into the setup. I'll tidy up the cable arrangement in a minute or two, change the channels over so that I'm more comfortable with it. But hopefully that gives you an idea as to how flexible this desk is. Now we can do a vinyl set, we can have the CDJs as a backup, and you can swap it around as you see fit. The other part that I've also requested from this company is some blanking plates, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is a straightforward countertop which can replace the CDJs. I have one for the CDJs, one for the Techniques, and so it means that if I want to play from a laptop or just simply have some equipment gone and have a blanking plate, I've got that. So well thought out iDecodo, great job on the desk. After almost a year of having it, I've got to say it's still absolutely amazing, highly recommended, one of the best things I've bought for DJing. So thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, hit like. My name's Kuffdam. You can check me out at Twitch. You can follow me at twitch.tv/DJ Kuffdam most weeks. Thanks very much for watching.